How can meditation improve focus? In today's world, where social media and short videos have hijacked our attention spans and rewired our dopamine system to crave 10-second hits, focusing has become a real challenge. In my previous video, I explained this in detail. If you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check that out first. Let's get to the point. Meditation has a ton of benefits. You might have thought it's only for spiritual people or older folks looking for peace. But no, meditation goes way deeper than that. It's beneficial for your body, your mind, your soul, your awareness, whatever you want to call it. There are different types of meditation. In fact, anything that forces you to focus can be considered meditation. Boxing, for example, can be a kind of meditation because it demands full attention. But since not everyone has access to all types of meditation, we're going to stick to the simplest one, breath meditation. So how does meditation help increase focus? When you train every day to keep your attention on your breath and ignore the thoughts that pop up, you're basically retraining your brain. You're helping it recover from the effects of social media and those fast dopamine hits from short videos. The meditations on my channel are usually for spiritual development or to help with things like stress or insomnia. But I'll soon be creating a special meditation focused on boosting your concentration. Just 10 minutes a day that can do wonders for your focus and even detox your body from dopamine overload. Another benefit of meditation is its spiritual power. A lot of people meditate for hours every day to prepare their minds and bodies for things like shifting, astral projection, or spiritual experiences. For them, meditation is a vital part of the process. If you've found this helpful so far, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. And finally, take care of your mind. Your thoughts and your awareness are your true power. There are people out there who, for their own personal gain, want to keep you mentally weak, to trap you in this dirty game and use you to serve their own desires. Don't let them.